Hey guys, it's Eric here, Waxahachie Autoplex. Today we're checking out this bad to the bone gray 2020 factory pre-owned F250 Super Duty. Got them 38-inch tires, sitting on them fuel aftermarket rims, power running boards. Got that 6.7 power stroke, 475 horses, 1,050 pounds of torque, all electric. Windows, mirrors, locks, memory things. Seats, WeatherTech floor mats, 40,645 miles, navigation, heated and cooled seats, USB power ports, wireless charging. Well, she has this clean interior, platinum badging all the way through, moonroof, sunroof, auxiliary switches, back just as clean as the front. Four-wheel drive, tow package. Let me see here. Backup camera, bedliner. It's ready for that fifth wheel. Lighting in the back. What are we waiting on? Give us a call. 940-273-3166. Let's get you in this bad boy today.